Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube students. Dear students, in our previous lecture we have discussed that surd is an irrational radical with rational radicand. Rationalization is the process of eliminating the radical free of any surd. Free of any surd means we have to eliminate this radical sign. From if they are saying that rationalize the denominator, from the denominator we have to eliminate that surd, eliminate that radical sign, and if they are saying that rationalize the numerator, then from the numerator we are going to eliminate that radical sign. Fine. So how we are going to eliminate इरेशनल रेडिकल है विद रैशनल रेडिकेंड है. रैशनलाइजेशन ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम इलिमिनेट करते हैं सर्ड को. अगर वो कह रहे हैं डिनोमिनेटर का रैशनलाइजिंग द डिनोमिनेटर, देन फ्रॉम द डिनोमिनेटर वी हैव टू रिमूव दैट सर्ड. हमें इससे डिनोमिनेटर से रिमूव करना है इस रेडिकल साइन को. अगर न्यूमिनेटर कहते हैं तो न्यूमिनेटर से रिमूव करना है. अब किस तरह से रिमूव करेंगे, इसके लिए हमें किसकी जरूरत पड़ेगी, कॉन्जुगेट की. अगर डिनोमिनेटर में है तो डिनोमिनेटर का हम मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे, और अगर न्यूमिनेटर का है तो न्यूमिनेटर का कॉन्जुगेट मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड करेंगे. लेट्स लुक एट द इंफॉर्मेशन. We are using book Karwan, page 94. In 1, 3rd and 8th part we will do. Its related questions are question number 1, first, second, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. Prior knowledge that is important in our exercise 4.4, that is what is conjugate of surd. If we are having two binomial surds of second order, then if we are going to change the sign in between two terms, then a plus under root b, its conjugate will be a minus under root b. If we are having under root a minus under root b, then its conjugate will be under root a plus under root b. We will do working over here. So let's start exercise 4.4. Number 1, that is rationalizing the denominator. So it means from the denominator radical sign. So first of all, let's simplify it. Under root 8 will be 2 4s. It will be, as we are having order of surd is 2, so that's why we are going to take स्क्वायर्स. पेयर बनाएंगे स्क्वायर्स के, ठीक है. एंड 27 3 9s 3 1s. So it will be 3 square into 3 is equal to 27. So in the place of 8 I am going to substitute this. 2 square into 2 3 square into 3 6 by that 2 will come out and remaining will be, जो ये स्क्वायर वाला होता है ये तो बाहर आ जाता है ना स्क्वायर रूट से, और यहाँ भी हमारे पास ये कैंसिल करके बाहर आ जाता है, और ये रह गया अंदर 3. 2 3s are 6 and 3 is cancelled with 3. So remaining will be 1 upon under root 2 into under root 3. You know, when the two surds are multiplying with each other, then they can be written into one radical sign, that is a into b. So here we are doing the same. It will be 1 upon under root 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 1 upon under root 6. Here it is written that rationalizing the denominator. Here we are going to rationalize the denominator. It means that rationalization is the process of eliminating radical sign. Here in the denominator there is a radical sign, so we are going to eliminate denominator's radical sign. For that one we need to take conjugate. I have told you that we need to take conjugate if we are going to eliminate radical sign. But here there is no binomial term. Whenever we are having the binomial term, then we are going to take the conjugate. But if we are having just the monomial term in the denominator, we have to eliminate its radical sign. So simply we are going to multiply the same, whatever is written in the denominator, we have to multiply and divide with the same. That is called rationalization process in the monomial term. So it will be under root 6 will be multiplied with 1. This will be under root 6 by this one is under root 6 whole square. Cancel. So answer will be under root 6 by 6. Fine. Same questions are, you can solve first and second part of question number 1 by following same procedure. Now we are doing question number 1, 8th part. That is, now we are going to do question number 1, its 8th part. Here you can see that the question is rationalizing the denominator. It means from binomial term. So for the binomial term, how we are going to take conjugate of surd? If the two terms are there, then we have to change the sign in between two terms. If it is positive one, so the conjugate of it will be is under root 5 minus under root 3. Then its conjugate will be under root 5 plus under root 3. Fine. So rationalizing the denominator, we have to multiply and divide with the conjugate of denominator. What is the conjugate of denominator? Here you can see the conjugate of denominator is under root 5 plus. So we have to multiply under root 5 plus under root 3 and divide as well. Under root 5 plus under root 3. तो इससे कोई फर्क तो नहीं पड़ेगा ना हमारे क्वेश्चन पर. डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई से मल्टीप्लाई भी कर दिया, डिवाइड भी कर दिया. ठीक है. अब न्यूमिनेटर विल बी मल्टीप्लाई विद द न्यूमिनेटर. क्या आ जाएगा? अंडर रूट 5 प्लस अंडर रूट 3 दैट इज होल स्क्वायर. दोनों सेम है तो होल स्क्वायर लिख दिया मैंने. डिवाइडेड बाय अंडर रूट 5 दैट इज, you can see that is a minus b and this is a plus b, and this is equal to a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So it will be a square is under root 5 whole square minus under root 3 whole square. सही है. अच्छा, अब देखिए this will be cancelled with this. मेरे पास क्या बच जाएगा? अब डिनोमिनेटर में बच जाएगा 5 माइनस 3. a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab. यही होता है हमारे पास. ठीक है. अब ये a, दिस इज a स्क्वायर मीन्स a की जगह पे मेरे पास है अंडर रूट 5 और b की जगह पे है मेरे पास under root 3. So this will be under a square plus b square. This is under root 3 square plus 2 formula का a into b. Next is this is cancelled with this. So it will be 5 plus 3 plus 2 into 5 3s are, I can combine them by this by using this property. I can combine these two surds. They are multiplying, so I can write it down under one radical sign. 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 5 minus 3, that is 2. So it will be 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 under root 15 बाय 2 कॉमन ले लूंगी तो ये कितना बच जाएगा? 4. 2 4 8 प्लस ये 2 कॉमन आ गया तो यहाँ कट हो गया इधर से 15 बाय 2 कॉमन ले लिया तो यहाँ क्या बच गया? 2 4 8 एंड 2 कॉमन 2 1 सो 2 इज कैंसल विद 2. रिक्वायरमेंट थी हमारे पास कि डिनोमिनेटर में से क्या खत्म हो जाए जी? अंडर रूट का साइन खत्म हो जाए, और वो हमने कर दिया है. 4 Its related questions are 4, 5, 6 and 7. These all questions are on the same procedure which we have done in question number 1, 8th part. So you can solve it very easily. You have to, in question number 2, you have to find out the conjugate of binomial surd. So we know that whenever we are talking about the conjugate of surd, if we are having binomial surd, then we have to change the sign in between two terms. Like if it is addition, then we have to convert it into minus. अगर minus है तो उसे इसमें convert कर देना. Then we have to convert it into addition. Fine. So here it is 9 plus under root 2. So the conjugate of 9 plus under root 2 will be 9 minus 2 under root. Fine. And here 2 plus under root 5, it is equal to 2 minus under root 5. So all parts, question number 2, all parts are same like this. So you just have to change the sign in between two terms.